Want to make your offer 10 times more attractive? Add a guarantee. By adding guarantee, you can speed up the sales process and you can close your deal fast. So in our previous video, we talked about how to stack bonuses and make your offer pretty much irresistible. And in today's video, we are going to talk about how to master the art of guarantee. So let's talk about how actually guarantee works. Now, when you add a guarantee, it increases your conversion rate because you are just taking the load from your buyer's shoulder and taking all the risks or objections they have in their mind and turning it into a guarantee that makes them lean towards you to buy. So there are various types of guarantees, but you need to choose the right one for your offer to make your offer irresistible. Now, adding a guarantee has a plus point and a downside as well. Plus point is you almost nullify all the objections your prospect has in mind while buying. But this also means if a person is buying based on guarantee, then that means he is the one that is going to be the least action taker on his part, and this type of people ask for refund. So we need to avoid this. Now generally there are 4 types of guarantee. Guarantee number 1 is conditional guarantee. Here you can say if you don't lose weight in next 30 days and you follow the plan, we will refund you. Sounds simple and pretty simple. Now the second one is unconditional guarantee. Here you can say try it for 30 days. If you don't like it, we will refund you. Now here you may get scammed by various number of people, but still it is a guarantee. Third guarantee is anti-guarantee. Here you just say once the sale is done, we will provide you no guarantee. It generally applies for those kind of product whose access is very exclusive and not available to everyone. It is a very premium product. Like we can say an access to underground secret agency or being the part of secret society or something like that. And the last and the best guarantee is a performance-based guarantee. Here you basically say if we don't deliver the results, you don't pay or we will work for free. That's how simple it is. So it has the downfall and the pros and cons as well. So when we talk about the pros, here it is you can make a lot of money by asking the rev share and the big profit. But if your client doesn't make money, you don't make money as well. But it also shows that you are pretty much confident at your work and you can deliver the results. Now that you know what are the 4 types of guarantee, I will tell you the one secret that can make your offer pretty much exclusive. Here you need to combine all the guarantees you have. Now it can be a combination of 2, 3 or all the 4s. Here a combined guarantee offer may sound like this. We will guarantee you 5 new clients by next month. And if you don't close the next 5 clients, we'll help you until you close the next 5 clients. See, it is a combination of 3 different type of guarantees, but this works very well. Now that you know how the guarantee actually works, in the next video, I'm going to talk about how to master the art of naming. Now we have everything in place. We just need to name our offer and make our offer sound pretty exclusive. But one more thing we need to remember, you need to add the name to your guarantee as well. Don't just say like 100% satisfaction guaranteed. You can say our 30-day get the result or you don't pay guarantee. It sounds pretty exclusive, right? So if you like the video, do like, share and comment and hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.